Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Here is the title of our product: Finding Related Forum Posts Through Content Similarity or Intention-based Segmentation. Here is the abstract of our product. We have implemented a novel method for finding related forum posts that handles each post as a set of segments and identify the content similarity over the same intention. We have implemented a segment identification process to find text features variable and initialize the pre-processing technique to remove the stop words from the forum post. To identify and verify the accuracy of the process, we have identified the functions and weights for capturing text feature variation. The comparison among text segments with the same intensity can be performed by TF-IDF methods. And for grouping the derived segments into intention cluster that exploit the text feature variation, we have implemented a multi-segment ranking technique that provides the top K forum post by considering the segments with same intention and the overall score between each forum post. We derive the effectiveness of overall approach on the recommendation of related forum posts using ratings and feedbacks by the users given in two different domains. This is our product flow diagram. First is the data selection. In our system, we dealt with the problem of finding forum posts related to a post at hand. We present experiments with real users that confirm the existence of such systems in forum posts of different domains. We evaluate the effectiveness of the overall approach and the recommendation of related forum posts using ratings and feedbacks by users in two different domains from TripAdvisor forum post and the Stack Overflow post. Next is we have loaded the two forum post data one by one for finding the similarity of the post. Next is the segment identification. For this process we have grouping the derived segments into intention clusters that exploit the text feature variation, identification of segments with the same intention, and comparison of the post based on similarity across segments of the same intention. We have initiated the POS tagging for splitting the segments in the dataset or extract the features. Moreover, the performance and efficiency of our approach, we have fine-grained the data through pre-processing, and it has been evaluated with this process on the data of different sizes. Next is the segment clustering. The next process, in this process we recognize whether the two segments from different or same documents have the same or highly similar intention. Each cluster is the projection of every document on the specific intention. We have computing this relatedness any text comparison. We have initiated one of the best known IR techniques, that is the core TF-IDF method. From this term weighting scheme, we have identified accurately that weights a term in the document considering the number of times it appears in the relationship to the number of it appears in the all documents. Next is the segment grouping. The next step, it is the intention-based post matching to recognize segments that are intended for the same goal. We actually need to create groups that the segments with similar intention end up in the same group, and segments with a different intention in different groups. We need to capture the relative contribution of each feature. Thus, we have created a vector of weights that are based on feature values. From this, after the segment grouping process is over, we find the top K forum post and performance evaluation. Finally, we derive the top K forum post related to reference post by considering segments with similar intention. Using content similarities within each cluster is to derive the overall score between each forum post and the reference post. We evaluate the effectiveness of overall approach on the recommendation of related forum post and performance evaluation of segment groups. Here is the demo of our product. Just right click on index page and click run file option. This is the index page. Click the explore button, select a dataset. There are two dataset we are loading here. First we select one by one. First select TripAdvisor dataset. TripAdvisor dataset is loading. Then this is the dataset contents. Then click continue. After that, click segment identification for feature extraction. We identify the segment by pivot tagging method. So it will take time for loading. So the segment identification done successfully, and then click pre-process. Pre-process done successfully, and then find the term frequency. So the term frequency is identified here. Now we have to find the valid IDF after removing the null values. Then this is the TF IDF weight for our data set. Then click continue. After that we have to find the top K forum in TripAdvisor dataset. Based on the customer intention, we have to select the customer according to accommodation based forums. These are the top K based on accommodation. The top K forum is listed here, and select customer service based top K forum, and then next select food based top K forums, and then finally we get the performance evaluation. This is the performance average segment time, and this is the total segment grouping time, and this is the average time retrieval time. So now we have to go for the another dataset process. Click here, select stack dataset. Stack dataset is loading here, and then click continue. So load the data. That will data loaded successfully, and then click continue. Pre-process done successfully here, and then click continue. Then we have to cluster the segments based on the professional developer. Cluster and save, and then click student, cluster and save, and then click others, cluster and save. Based on the profession, we are clustering the data, and then select user intention, the developer intention based on country wise top K forum, and then the student intention based on country wise top K forum, and the others intention top K forum. And this is the performance evaluation for the Stack Overflow dataset. So our process is completed. Thank you for watching.